Mae Cylch Maes yn y Gyrnas yn lleoliad gofal plant ar gyfer plant rhwng 2 a 4 oed. Penderfynon ni wneud sesiynau stay a play mwyn dod i adnabod rieni a teuluoedd yn yr ardal. Oedd rhan fwyaf o'r teuluoedd yn eitha yn erbyn y iaith Cymraeg. Felly oedd yn pwysig i'r staff gweithio gyda nhw a dangos iddyn nhw bod yr iaith ar gael a bod yr iaith i pawb.
Ella doesn't speak Welsh and we don't speak Welsh at home, but Ella literally has been coming 2 months and she's using Welsh words at home, like at Nan and Grandad's house, which is really, really nice to see that she's obviously so comfortable here. She's learning and picking it up and it's so immersive. I was really proud, I was really surprised that she was doing that.
Cefais i yr opportunity I gweithio yn Cylch Maes yn y Gyrnos, a wedyn cefais I cwrsiau a tecsio my family, tecsio tîm yn Cymraeg, a roedd hwnna wedi dechrau'r hyder yn dod yn fwy ac yn tyfu, a nawr dwi'n mwy hyderus I siarad Cymraeg, a dwi'n hapus a dwi ddim yn cwestiwn I fy hun.
The setting goes above and beyond, and I think the work that the girls put in isn't recognised enough. Everything they do is with love, and you can't fault that. You can't pay for that, you know? You literally can't pay for it.
I think the thing that I found most useful about the Maithrin is the support of the aunties, as the kids call them. I just really appreciate their input because they've had all that training. They're happy to take the time at the school gate to share it with you. They don't rush you out the door. They genuinely care for the kids. It takes a village to raise a child, and the aunties are part of our village. Like we wouldn't have such a confident, happy little girl without the aunties.